everyone, it's Jamie. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I found some new things that I'm pretty excited about. I'm still waiting to see if Dollar Tree is going to be putting out any Halloween stuff yet, because on Instagram I seen someone post that their Dollar Tree has got Halloween decor out already. So I'm excited. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So these, I've never seen these before, and I think they are so cute. But look at these. If you guys are bee fanatics like I am, I love bees, I could not pass these up. They are so cute. So they are by Crown Jewels, and it's just a notebook. This one is yellow, and then it's got the gold bees on the front, and then on the back they're white. Now on the inside, look at these pages. Is this not the coolest thing? It says busy bee up here, and then down here, look at that. I think that is so pretty. It's like that on every page. Every page is printed the same way, with the bee, busy bee up there, and then the little bees on this page. I think that is so cute. So I had to get that. And then this other one is just black, and then it's got the gold bees on the front. On the back, it's just plain black. And then on the inside, it's just lined paper, but it's got these little bees back here. I don't know if you guys can see them. All these little bees. So I think that is so cute. So I had to get it because I am obsessed with bees. So, okay. So these, I think my Dollar Trees have had these before, but I've never purchased them. So I decided to go ahead and get a couple of them, because I'm going to be doing some DIYs. But they are these little like plastic bottles that you can do, you know, all kinds of stuff with if you want. But I went ahead and grabbed this one that looks like a little mason jar. So I grabbed that one. And then I picked up these two little jars, which they look like, I don't know, like milk bottles almost. But they are plastic. So I thought I'm going to be doing some sort of DIY with these. Also, I found these. Now, my Dollar Trees have had these before, but I've never purchased them. But I'm going to be doing some Halloween DIYs, so I thought I would go ahead and grab some of these. So this is by Crafter Square, and it's the mini glass containers, and you get 6 in here. And they are the .33 fluid ounce. But these are so cute. They even come with a little cork in them. I'm trying to show you guys this without the glare, but I think these are really neat. And these are glass. So I did go ahead and pick these up. They did have these in different styles, but I just liked this style. And like I said, I'm going to be doing some sort of a Halloween DIY with these. They also had these little Strawbells. I think they have these every year. It's the 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch by 3.5 inch. Just little Strawbells, hay bells. So I thought this was really cute, and I think it's going to look really good for my fall decor. I'll find something to do with it. I think this would look really cute in a tiered tray if you have it all decorated for fall. So anyway, went ahead and grabbed that. They had these. Now, my Dollar Trees have had these wooden crates before, but they only get them in usually in just this smaller size. But this time they had it in a larger size, and also with the larger size they have these little holes on the side of them. So I thought these were really cool, and I only grabbed one. And then I also grabbed one of the smaller ones. But my Dollar Trees have never had this size before, which I don't know if you guys can tell. The size on there is, you know, a little bit of a difference. I'd say it's probably, I don't know, 1/2 inch taller. And I'd say it's probably, I don't know, maybe a 1/4 of an inch wider. But I thought that was really neat, so I did go ahead and just grab one of each of those. Something else that I have seen other people haul, and my Dollar Trees have just got them in. So I went ahead and grabbed one of each. Now, they're just calling them home decor, but I thought these were really cool. Now, these look, to me, kind of like boho-ish, like a boho style. So I thought these were really neat, but my daughter, she's kind of into that boho look, so I'm going to see if maybe she wants these, and I'm just going to give them to her. But all they had were these two different ones. So they had the one that's just the plain wood on the top, and then gold across the bottom. And then they had the one with the white top half, and then the bottom is gold. And they do have a little hanger thing right here. So I guess if you wanted to hang like necklaces or something like that from there, you could. And then they also have the sawtooth hanger on the back so that you can hang them up on your wall. So anyway, I grabbed these for my daughter, see if she wants these. So anyway, I thought these were really cute. So I just went ahead and just grabbed one of each of those. They had some new nails. Now, I don't think I've ever tried this brand before. I don't think I've ever even seen this brand at my Dollar Trees. But it's just called Fingers, I guess. Edge press-on nails. So I went ahead and grabbed just one of each of these. Now, they did have them in several different colors, which I wasn't really thrilled on any of the colors, but I thought I'd just grab these two just to try them out and see if I'm going to like them. Now, I don't know if these have the... yeah, it says no glue needed, easy removal. So these are the ones that are the kind that already has like that glue adhesive on them, which I don't really like because they pop off too easily. But I thought I'd get them and try them just to see. Who knows, maybe they'll work really well. So this one is, I don't know, they kind of remind me of this, summertime. But this one has like a teal green with the yellow and then some pink in there. So I think that was really cool. And then this one has the pink and the yellow. And if you hear like pops going on, this is the 4th of July today when I'm filming this. So you may be hearing fireworks outside. I don't know why they're lighting them off in the middle of the day though. But anyway, so I did go ahead and just grab this. Now, it says up to 7-day wear. So I don't know, but it says 24 nails and 12 sizes. So anyway, I got them, thought I'd try them just to see how they're going to turn out. I may do that today because one of my nails did pop off the other day, and I just need to put some new ones on. So I may go ahead and try these today. Okay, so they had some new makeup, and this is the hard candy. I really need to slow down on the makeup buying because I have got so much of it and I don't use half of it, so I really need to slow down. I'm trying to only buy the things that I know I'm going to use, not just buy it just to show you guys, because to me that's just a waste of money and of product because I'm not going to use it. But anyway, I will be using these. This is the Hard Candy Matte-aholic, and you do get a matte lip color. It's a matte lip color kit, so you get a lipstick in here and a lip liner. So these were the only colors that my Dollar Tree had. So, and these are right up my alley. So this one is in the color, let me see if it says it on here. I don't really know. I don't think it says it on it. Oh, yes it does. Spider Orchid. So it tells you the color up here on the top. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that or not. But so this is sort of like a brownish nude color. And then this one is in the color Cherry Blossom. And it is sort of a pinky red color. So anyway, I thought that was really neat because it does come with the lipstick and the lip liner together. So that's a pretty good deal. They had some more of the liquid catsuit cream liquid eyeshadow, which I like these, and I am wearing one of them today that I have purchased before. I do like it. So this one is in the color Sand Castles. So it's just sort of a nudie brown, like a tan color. So I thought I'd go ahead and get that and try that one out because I do like them. This is the Hard Candy Glosstopia Ultimate Lip Shine with Hyaluronic Acid. And this one is in the color Bronze Gem. So I thought this was really pretty. So I did go ahead and I just grabbed one of these. Now they do have these in different colors, but I liked this color, so I did go ahead and grab that one. This other one is by Wet n Wild, and it is the Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick, Ultra Matte Finish, Vivid Color. And this one is in the color Goth Topic. Now, I've gotten some of the other ones, and they were not in a package. They were just out. So, this one is in a package, but it's the same as the other ones that didn't come in a package. So, anyway, I'm excited to try that because I like these dark sort of, like this was sort of a dark plummy berry color. And I do like these kinds of lipstick, this color. So, really great for fall. Okay, and then the last makeup thing that I found. Now, my Dollar Trees rarely get in full palettes. So, if you can find a full palette of makeup, of name brand makeup, then you're doing pretty good. So, this one is the Hard Candy, and it says Lap of Luxury. So, this is the Top 10 Eyeshadow Collection. So they have all different colors in there of sort of like the neutral, brown tones, the nude tones, which is right up my alley. I like that kind of stuff. So, and there's not really too many glittery, shimmery type eyeshadows. I like more mattes. But this does have probably maybe 4 that are kind of sparkly in there. So anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and grab this just to give it a try and see if I'm going to like it. So anyway, that is the end of this Dollar Tree haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I would love to have you. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.